Jason from Flight Time, and today I am here to talk to you about my amazing and custom P15 Pcp Airgun. The P15 has many names and forms: the SPA Artemis, the Diana Skyhawk, but mine is a custom model that we simply call the P15 Predator. My dad built this gun for me because it is light, has a short length of pull, and has a high shot count. And thanks to the custom CZ barrel, it is laser accurate. Let's talk about the features of this gun, starting with the stock. As you can see, it is a bull pump. My dad added this lower brace to the stock and thickened the foregrip area, giving me a better grip and allowing a better mount for bipods and slings. The stock was then covered in a textured anti-slip paint, making it easy to grip and a pleasure to hold. There's a Picatinny rail and sling mounts. Moving to the breech in action, you can see the hammer spring adjuster at the back and the custom engraved breech with the Predator logo. The air tank is titanium and can be filled to 250 bar. A shout out to Jake Bowman for the biathlon lever and the Picatinny adapters we see here. The magazine can hold 11 rounds and are simple to load and use. However, I would like to give a shout out to Darko Stell at Scarm, as my dad has magazines and they are awesome. Hoping to get a 20-shot magazine from Carm soon. The scope is a UTG 4x16x44 and works well on this platform. The barrel has been covered with carbon fiber and the shroud has been filled with washers and hair curlers to quiet down the gun. On the end of the shroud is a 1.5 UNF adapter with a mini hugget on the end, suited perfectly for .177 caliber and keeping the gun nice and short. Inside, there have been many changes made to increase performance. My dad increased the size of the transfer port, reduced the valve stem diameter, as well as adding a Huma regulator and a 12cc power plenum, custom hammer spring and top hat, and the 18-inch CZ barrel. This gun is a Predator, and to feed the Predator, we started with JSB exact heavies at 10.34 grain. However, now that the Predator has settled in, nothing less than a Monster will do. So, the pellets of choice is the JSB Monster Diablo at 13.34 grain. Performance-wise, the gun can shoot the monsters at 865 feet per second for around 55 regulated shots, giving me about 22 foot-pounds of energy. So, let's see how she handles at 35 yards. powerful gun. Especially with some customization, it can perform with the best of them. Thank you for watching, everybody. It's been a pleasure talking to you today. Please leave a comment, like or subscribe to my channel, and thank you for your support.